I'm Jaron Michael, and this is a 90-second review. With all the events coming up this summer, I feel like it's only right to take a look at different products to keep our cars looking clean. My grandpa always said, if your wheels are clean and your windows are clean, your car's clean. So the Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner actually works pretty simple. All you have to do is take the bottle, spray it, and then you wipe it. But what I want to check is when I spray, is it actually removing the dirt? Or is it me, the towel, and the elbow grease? Because if I have to do too much work, I'm not into that. Well, the Turtle Wax system seemed to work pretty good. I sprayed it, it got all sudsy. I felt like a little kid taking a bubble bath. I liked it. But you guys, take a look at the wheel. Does it look clean or not?
Hey. Damn.
What wheel cleaners are you using? Let me know so I could try them out myself. And until then, go build something.